How to fix Snapchat something went wrong error. Let's get started. So this error usually happens because of a server issue, network problem, or temporary account or login glitches. But you can fix this easily. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and turning your airplane mode on and off. After that, you can simply close Snapchat app completely and reopen it. This clears temporary bugs. Now, if you are on your iPhone, you can simply long press on Snapchat, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, then tap on Delete again. Once deleted, you can simply visit the App Store and then reinstall it from there. This will remove the cache your Snapchat has. After that, you can simply open the App Store one more time, search for Snapchat, and then make sure it is updated. And if it says Update instead of Open, tap on Update and let your application update to its latest version. Now after that, you can turn on a VPN and connect to a different region. Sometimes login errors are region related. Now, sometimes the issue is not in your side. If Snapchat servers are down, you just need to wait. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.